Hello guys! A rainy morning today. What? Distract?
Why do you want me?
Nagkakainis talaga siya guys. Pag
My goodness me.
Say hi to them.
What?
Behave yourself. Kamusta, Mas? Oh, we're going out. Even it's raining. Amo.
Mo.
Labas ko muna yung guys, yung boots ko. Ang pinakahihintay ko. I can't wait to wear my boots. Okay, so ang outfit ko ngayon is yellow theme. So I've got yellow headband and a yellow jacket, and I've got, where's my Willie? Teka lang guys. I'm not really excited to wear this. I got this from Dad and Luis last year. Thank you guys. I can't wait to wear this again. Ayan, sobrang maulan. Diyos ko. Diyos me, marimar. Hala, ginawa ko. Kaulan. So, going to range and do some browsing, curtain browsing. Wait, hang on. Tingnan nyo guys, maulan siya. I'll do. What are you talking about? Are you speaking Latino? What's that, my love?
Baridi sana. It's Kiswahili.
Is it an African?
East
Yeah.
African.
Yeah, an African language. Taga South Africa.
I'm heat season.
I'm good.
Warm up my balls.
So, gustong-gusto ko to. I like this headband. However, it's not really fit my head on perfectly.
What? It's
Yeah, my
nasty.
love. I'm not gonna wear it. We're waiting for our neighbor to move their van kasi sa likod namin guys, sa garage, it's not wide enough to have like two ways. So one way lang siya. So every time we go out, if we're lucky, it's empty, that's fine. But if not, like weekdays now, we need to ask them to move their vans because they're blocking the way. So, let me show you. Yan. Dalawang van. Two vans blocking the way, so we need to wait. We need to be patiently. And what can you say, my love? I'm back to normal. I don't have lipstick on. I don't have any.
You look as beautiful as ever.
Boriton. Boriton. I'm low maintenance, my love, right? No lipstick, no eyebrow. No, they're moving the van. Okay. It's miserable outside. Good. It's a rainy day for me. It's perfect for cuddle time. Cuddle time.
Cuddling movies.
Yes, cuddle movies and ice cream and crisp.
Ice cream.
Yeah, why not? I know, noodles. Noodles.
Chores.
Yeah, chores. A perfect time to do the chores because you don't feel bad if you don't go out because yeah, the weather's bad. Yeah.
Puddle splashing.
Puddle splashing. Yes, my boots ready. Boots. I'm excited. I'm excited to wear this outside.
We're gonna watch the next episode of.
Oh, guys, we've been watching the Hobbit, right? The Hobbit.
Yeah.
The Hobbit. And it was brilliant. We finished 2 films already, series of films. This is a series of films. So we finished 2, and we are looking forward for the 3rd one later. What? What's wrong with you? Guys, if you would like us to make a video, a request a content for us. So I'm planning to, why not, my love? Don't be KJ, Killjoy, no? A Tagalog word, a Cebuano word challenge.
Don't bring me into this.
My love, come on. You need to give them and entertainment. Nagbataka mo yo-yo.
Whose vlogs is this? Chelz Mills vlog?
This
Or
is
this
our
Luke Mills vlog.
My love, this is our vlog, okay?
Where does it say? I want. If I'm going to be in the vlogs, I want money.
Oh, I'm not earning
You
it.
have
Come
to pay
on.
me.
I'm not earning it.
Fine, then your followers have to pay me. Show me the money. Ching 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 ching.
Amo. Don't be jologs, my love. Nasa range na kami. Ang ganda dito kasi they have quite a lot of variety stuff. Sobrang ganda. So yes guys, andito na kami sa curtain section. How about here, my love? There's loads of gray here, looky. Oh, gusto ko yung mga shimmering effect. I like the shimmering effect.
You like that, do you?
Not necessarily that. I'm just showing it to you. It's nice and shiny. I like this color. And even this one. Is it long enough? No. No. That's nice.
The only downside is this eyelet, which is not what we have, but we can solve that problem with something
Yeah.
else there. Yeah?
If you're gonna move somewhere else, we can still use it.
Yeah, but that doesn't. The problem is that we don't have. I think we need to look for non-eyelet ones.
Okay. So, I think mostly, my love, they are the same.
No.
So, ang sabi ni Luke, hindi ganito yung ano namin, guys, yung parang curtain holder.
Again, here.
So, light colors here.
There are light colours if you prefer them. It's probably nicer actually.
Yeah, it suits our wall paint.
Yeah.
So, from curtain section, we're now in the Christmas decorations. Oh, that's cute. It's a wooden one and a metal. Ang cute niya, guys.
Okay, isn't it?
But we normally buy stuffs after Christmas because they are on discounts, my love.
What is this? Isn't that lights up on the inside?
I think so. Yes, my love. Some battery.
But that's probably really nice actually. It's quite tempting.
8. Oh, not bad. 8 pounds. Yeah.
Quite pretty.
Yeah, it's a bit delicate, you know. Yeah, my love, I'm happy. That one, if you want to get it. Ano nangyari,
Same
guys?
thing.
Napunta na kami sa
Like
Christmas decor. Snow effect. I prefer that one. My goodness. Oh my love, in fairness, this is nicer than the one we've got from Bodium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bodiam didn't have very good options. These are lovely.
Oh yeah, I like this one. Hello, uy, it's broken, looky.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
Hello, it's broken, guys. Hello, uy, bakit ano siya?
They've got on the delicate side, aren't they?
Oh, wait, let me see. Hello, you can put candles, looky.
You put a candle on the top. and
Yeah.
a little, Father Christmas on the inside.
Yeah, for the Christmas. Oh, cute. Should get this.
Get that for
In fairness, it's just £2, and the one we've
Is it
got
really?
from Cushion.
It's
Yeah,
not bad, is it?
yeah.
Yeah.
The one we've got yesterday from Bodium.
Should we get one of those then?
Yeah.
Come on then, here you go.
Okay.
You need your hand now, because it's in so much I can carry.
My goodness. Yeah. You prefer that one than the other one?
I don't know now.
How much? Is it the same price?
15.
Look at the guys.
This is 9.
Mataas siya.
And let's try and move. Sorry guys, I'm going to move you to the side. I'm going to put you there guys, okay?
Hello, careful. Hello.
Which do you think's better?
Hello. My goodness, Lucky. Hello, uy, makabayad.
Which one?
In fairness. Oh, I like this one more.
You like that one, do you?
Yeah.
I like them both.
Well, you can have one, my love. Don't be greedy. Okay?
I want to be greedy.
No, you're not
Greedy
greedy.
is fun.
Hello, we're home. We went to Danong and IKEA. However, wala kaming nabili. So, we ended up going back to Range at ito yung pinamili namin. Christmas decoration! Merry Christmas! Ay, baliktad pala. That one. Sobrang gusto niya yung mga Christmas decoration. Love getting new stuff for Christmas decoration. Look at that, it's cute. At yung curtains naman. We were browsing dark color, but we end up getting this. And oh, if I forgot this one, my choice. Hala, patay. Sobrang delicate, so delicate. Father Christmas. But you can put some candle here. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it. For the first time, I vlogged in shop. Even if my husband doesn't like it. But yes, that's it guys. I'm going to...
I beat that.
No, I'm going to do another vlog when we put the curtains. Why not? I'm all in your own. Thank you and God bless you all. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.